Hello friends, have a good day. Again, warm welcome to Fisheries Only, Nourishing Fish, Nurturing Life, a educational YouTube channel. Today we are going to share one more video regarding fish seed. In this video we are going to discuss what is fish seed, the development stages of fish seeds such as egg, hatchlings, spawn, fry, semi-fingerlings, fingerlings and yearlings. These are the development stages of the egg. From adult we get eggs will hatch into hatchlings, and hatchling becomes spawn become fries, then semi-fingerling, fingerling and yearlings. These are the eggs, spawn and fingerling. In this video we are going to clear what is fish seed and what is the development stages of the fish, which is called as a fish seed. Fish seed is a term used to include various developmental stages of a fish which required for stocking of pond for rearing purpose. These are the developmental stages of fish which are used to stock the pond or culture pond for culture purpose of particular species. That development stages is called as a fish seed. Thus, the fish seed is a term used to include various developmental stages of fish which required for stocking of pond for rearing purpose or culture purpose. The development stages goes like this. First, adult. From adult we will get eggs. Egg will hatch into hatchlings, hatchling then becomes spawn becomes fry, then fry becomes semi-fingerlings, fingerlings become fingerling, then fingerling becomes yearling, and yearling becomes adult, and they are ready to lay eggs. Now we discuss the development stage eggs. These are the eggs. Fertilized egg where embryonic development is completed and is ready to hatch. What is egg? Fish egg will appear once a pair of male and female fish successfully spawn or lay their gametes. After fertilization, embryonic development will start and the egg will hatch from within 12 hours to 72 hours or more than that, depending on the particular species. That is called as eggs. Eggs is a female gamete. It will fertilize after the male gamete released, maybe internal fertilization or external fertilization. Then after fertilization, embryonic development will start and the egg will be hatched into hatchlings within 12 hours or 70 hours for more, depending on the particular species. These are the eggs. Now we are going to discuss next stage, that is the hatchlings. These are the hatchlings. The eggs hatch into the hatchlings. The larvae emerging from the fertilized egg after hatching is called as a hatchlings. That is, the larvae emerging from the fertilized egg after hatching is called as hatchlings. It is characterized by the presence of yolk sac hanging below. It is characterized by the presence of yolk sac hanging below. This one is the yolk sac which is hanging below the these hatchlings. It is just emerged from the egg of the fish egg. From this yolk sac, the hatchling draws their nutrition for 2 to 3 days. From where they get nutrition for development. At this stage, the mouth is not formed and hence it does not take food from outside. The egg yolk will be source of the food as they can't get any nutrition from the outside. This yolk sac only is a source of food for this hatchling. Hatchlings are having yolk sacs, and that's the source of the nutrition for their development. The next stage is a spawn. Next developmental stage is a spawn. This one is a spawn. Spawn is nothing but as soon as yolk sac of the hatchlings is absorbed, it is known as a spawn. Spawn is nothing but when the yolk sac of the hatchling is absorbed, then it is known as a spawn. Spawn having no yolk sac. At this stage, the mouth is formed and it starts taking small zooplankton like rotifers and supplementary feed like egg yolk. Finally, powder, oil cake or rice bran, etc. That is, the just mouth is developed here. Here in spawn, just mouth is developed here, and they starts feeding mostly a smallest roti and zooplanktons like a rotifer or other supplementary feed which is crushed powderly, finely powderly oil cake or rice bran they can take. After spawn, the spawn become a fry. Next developmental stage is a fry. This one is a fry. As soon as the spawn assumes the shape of the fish, as soon as the spawn assume or get a shape of the fish and grow to about 1 to 2 centimeter, it is known as a fry. As soon as the spawn assumes the shape of the adults and grow up to 1 to 2 centimeter is known as a fry. At this stage, they are primarily smaller size plankton feeder. They can feed on smaller size planktons. They starts zooplankton feeder. They starts to feed zooplankton. It takes about 7 to 10 days for the development from spawn to grow a fry stage. They will take 7 to 10 days to grow up to the fry stage from the spawn stage. In this stage, mouth is well developed and they starts feeding. That is mostly a zooplankton feeder or spawns are fries are mostly zooplankton feeders. Then fry becomes a semi-fingerling. As soon as a fry grow up to 3 to 4 centimeter size or roughly equal to 1/2 size of fingerling, our fingerling, it is known as a semi-fingerling. It takes about 15 to 30 days for a fry to grow up to semi-fingerling size. Fry become into semi-fingerlings and it is the size of the semi-fingerling is roughly half equal to size of our finger. That is called as a semi-fingerling. This is the developmental stage. After semi-fingerling, the semi-fingerling becomes a fingerling. This one is a fingerling having a size of our finger. That is called as a fingerling. As soon as the fry grow up to 10 centimeter to 15 centimeter size or roughly equal to size of finger is known as a fingerling. Fingerling is a proper size for stocking in a stable fish production pond. It is an ideal size to stock in the culture pond. As the survival we have to get more, and this is a production also, or also they will get more here. Mortality rate will be less. It takes about 30 to 60 days for a fry to grow into fingerling size. That is, it takes near about 30 to 60 days for the fry to grow up to the fingerling size. After fingerling, the fingerlings become a yearling. This one is the yearling of the Katla. Young ones that are 1 year old are called as a yearling. Young ones, that is the young ones that are of 1 year old are called as a yearling. Typically, yearlings are a horse size or weight and stocked to enhance post-stocking survival. In yearling, mostly the stunted fingerling or yearling is mostly used in to grow the fishes in a small period of time. If the culture time is less or culture time availability is less, then we can go for the, instead of semi fingerling we can go for the yearling or advanced fingerling. This one is the advanced fingerling we have to use. Thus, hello friends, thus we discussed here what is fish seed and development stages of the fish, nothing but that is fish seed, that is eggs, hatchling, spawn, fry, semi fingerling, fingerling and yearling. Hello friends, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and promote the channel. Also press a bell icon and comments also. Thank you very much.